Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It is generally harmless to humans and is essential for life, but it can be highly flammable under certain conditions. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Hydrogen is a composition of individual words, hydro, referring to water, and gin, meaning producer, reflecting its presence in water. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about hydrogen, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.